I'm announcing a new initiative, working with Congress to invest $350 billion to facilitate more than almost $500 million in financing to make sure people across Africa can participate in the digital economy.
You're about to hear something that the Nigerian government does not want you to know. Attention all entrepreneurs and business owners, whether you are in Nigeria or the US or even the UK, these days it's hard to access capital for your business. Well, I have some incredible news for you. Money is everywhere. Did you know that the US government, the Chinese, Europeans, and even the World Bank have all promised to invest trillions of dollars in Africa?
At the G7 meeting earlier this year, we announced our intention to collectively mobilize $600 billion.
And Nigeria is key in this investment wave. But where is all the money going? And more importantly, how can you get involved? You might think it's going straight to the Nigerian government, and I don't blame you. Most of us think that. But the truth is, there is a way for you, yes you, to access this money too. At Business in Nigeria, we provide you with the tools and insider knowledge necessary to access these funding opportunities. Our program gives you exclusive access to help you navigate the complex world of business finance in Nigeria. You'll also receive weekly webinars on capital accessibility, details on running businesses in high-yielding sectors in Nigeria, and financial literacy fundamentals. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to tap into these monetary support options and take your business to the next level. Head over to streamovg.com/business in Nigeria to find out more and sign up today for our program. With our help, you can access the funding that you need to take your business to new heights.
Because when Africa succeeds, the United States succeeds. Quite frankly, the whole world succeeds as well.